Hey people, good morning. Welcome to another vlog from Twin Wolf. So today we are headed towards Lepakshi and it's gonna be around like 130 kilometers from Bangalore and it is towards Hyderabad. So the day is pleasant as you see. The clouds are moving and it is so bright and it's around like 7 o'clock. Yes, we tried to start it around like 5:30. As you know, it's like it's a group ride, so we have this kind of things gonna be happening. Like all the people killed, all people gathers up, so we won't be able to leave. So as I see, my crew is in the boat, so we are good to roll. That's Raki and Javaraj. That is to go. This is Mayu, and this is our Jack. As always, is here for the ride. Happy that my crew is wearing wearing helmets. It's Queens Road and Raj Bhavan and Golf Course, and the same route continues to Ballari Road. And once we hit Ballari Road, and it's the same route like till Hyderabad, so you don't need to worry about the routes and the maps. So you can just keep going straight. So the roads are very good, and today the climate is very awesome, and it is not going to be raining, I believe, because I don't see any dark clouds on the sky. And it is fast moving. Yeah, should be fine. Ooh. This is what happens when the signals are not on in Bangalore. Wow. It's the Swamy Stadium on the right and Kabban Park on the left. So today is our lucky day, so all our signals are open. Yeah, that's good. We go on the left now. To explore all the 4 places in Lepakshi. So there's actually 4 spots to actually you should be seeing it when you go to Lepakshi. There's a famous Lepakshi temple with a statue of Shiva Murti, and also Jatayu, and other 2 places are there. I'm not sure about the places right now because I'm not able to name them, but I can suggest you on the go. I'll tell you later, once I collect the details, I'll be able to let you know what other places are there. I hope it should be fun. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, so we just reached Devnalli, so we crossed Yelahanka toll right now, in Devnalli toll gate right now. So we are headed towards Hyderabad. So we got around 30-40 kilometers. I see a lot of cops on all the ends of the roads. I believe some of the minister, or I'm not sure why it is a Saturday they're hunting for people. I'm not sure, but I see every 100 meters there's a cop. I believe some of the minister should be passing by, or I'm not sure, or else I would have not seen this guy on the road for sure. This guy is an inspector, I believe. Why he'll be coming up so early? Oh, see this guy. As of now, the climate is pleasant, dude. No complaint about the climate. Climate is awesome. It's a very good day to ride. As long as sun rises up, we should be hitting towards Hyderabad. Very good. It's a newly laid highways. The roads are very good until as of now. No complaint about the roads. Till Hyderabad, the same road goes. No need to worry about it. So no need to check the maps or something else. Just have to maintain the kilometers and just maintain the speed, and you will be good to go. And hit thumbs up. So I was just I was hitting around 110 and I don't see my people in back. So just slowing down to catch them up, and we'll continue the ride. Hope you are guys liking the video. Watch till the end. And if you do like the content of my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Overlay, not too much, too much. You ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದಿ ಹಿಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. We crossed around 50 kilometers from Bangalore and went towards Hyderabad. The sun is rising up. The heat has started to build up as of now. The cops, they were standing right, so they were till Nandi Hills actually. Wherever we take Nandi Hills, left turn to Nandi Hills. Till there, the cops are there because you know it, right? So it's a weekend. Weekends are not allowed. If you're not allowed to go to Nandi Hills. The clouds start to build up and it's been dark. I'm just praying that it should not rain. That's all. I hope it should not be raining because it's so dry. It is windy. It will not rain. God's grace. May the power be with us. Oh, look at the clouds, or look at the scene. Got fueled my bike, and I want to tell you one thing, guys. It's the first time that I've actually like 4.95 liters. That was a petrol I fueled at 500 rupees in Bangalore, and Interceptor 650cc. It gave me a mileage of 27 kilometers. Yeah, 27 kilometers. It's a good mileage for 650cc, I believe. Yeah, Canadians are like 3 in there, and 2 of these are giving us 25 kilometers. So 650. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಲೆಫ್ಟು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದೇ ಲೇಪಾಕ್ಷಿ ರೋಡು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡು ಲೇಪಾಕ್ಷಿ 18 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. Roads are awesome. There was no complaint on the roads till now. So once you actually had a checkpost there that you had a few bumpy humps, that's all. After that there was no humps at all. Neighbors. కూర్చున్నారా? ఇదే కదనా? ఇట్టా time I'm giving a lift to a policeman. It's okay, and it's a good feeling unless he doesn't charge us for anything. Yeah, we don't have anything to do with it. We have around 4 kilometers left and 6 minutes more to go to Lepakshi. So see the board, welcome to Lepakshi. Yes, so we are in the city of, it is a town. We are in the town of Lepakshi, and from here to the spot it is around like 2.4 kilometers. No problem, sir. Thank you. Go towards the temple. Yeah, this side is a temple. Yes. Finally, we have reached Lepakshi. So we are entering the temple.
Basically, this temple is built and it has been survived for more than 500 years. So this temple is built by two brothers. That is, one is Viranna and one is Virupanna. So this temple actually houses a Vijayanagara Empire style of architectures. Like India is full of archaeology and heritage. And when we enter this temple, so you will be able to see this main shrine, so which houses three lords. That is one Lord Shiva on the left, and Lord Veerabhadra in the middle, and Lord Vishnu in the right. Yeah. So it has unique pillars throughout the temple, and each pillar is unique.
Illustrator Rasekar.
ಒಂಚೂರು ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಿಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೋಟೋ ಹಿಡಿತೀಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
So if you see, this is a Lepakshi temple, and the other three places which is mentioned in the tourist guide, right? So it is just nearby. It's on the same lane. See this big statue of Nandi. Oh, what a fancy number plate, bro. Fancy number plate, bro. Big fan, bro. Big fan.
When we talk about the history of Jatayu, it goes all the way back to Ramayana. Basically, what happened there is Ravana tries to kidnap Sita and tries to take her to Sri Lanka. So that time, this bird, Jatayu, fights the soldiers of Ravana. So Ravana clips off the wings of Jatayu. So it falls there in the lands of Lepakshi, documented in that way. Rama finds the bird. He tells Lepakshi, that roughly translated as get up bird. That's the meaning of Lepakshi. Yeah, that's all about the history in a simple language that I know.